Hi everyone, I'm Lisa Stansky, and thanks for having me join you today. Okay, this is what we all want to be able to do with our statewide websites. We want to be able to surf that tidal wave of information, that tidal wave of data, without having us or our site users wipe out. To show you how we came to terms with that, we're taking a little time warp trip, forwards, backwards, and sideways through louisianalawhelp.org. Here's March of 2003. Then the site was lawhelp.org/LA. Pretty tough for people to remember and type, though the site is pretty clean and looks fairly simple to use. Fast forward to November of 2005. A really stressful time for Louisianans and people in the surrounding areas. And the homepage of the site reflects that. It's like one big emergency alert with lots of text. Moving forward to 2007, the situation's calmed down, and so has the homepage, though it's still pretty busy. A very busy banner, lots of site elements. Here's 2010. A couple of years after I became involved with the site. The site still has quite a bit of text above the fold, and this is a major element that we will struggle with through the many iterations of the site. Okay, watch carefully now. 2010, 2011, we're adding a few elements to try to help people find where they're trying to go on the site. 2012, big change here. Really nice clean logo and banner, and a much more user-friendly interface, a lot more white space. But still, we can't get rid of all that text above the fold. It's still taking people a while to scroll down to the icons, the topics, to the guts, the meat of what they're looking for, the information they're looking for on the site. Here in 2015, we took a foray into the world of mobile Louisiana Law Help. This site received some accolades for its design, really spare, really simple. But by the time we finished this TIG-supported project, boom, louisianalawhelp.org had become mobile responsive. Here's a view of the site from May 2017, about the time when we were applying for our TIG grant to revamp the site. You can see lots of text in that big blue box above the fold. Now, we're here at Valentine's Day 2019, just about the time when we were launching into our project with our consultant to revamp louisianalawhelp.org. Tara Saylor will speak with you more about how all that played out, but I must say, having an outside view and outside analysis of the site and its elements was incredibly helpful. It was really helpful to have a literature review, a review of the best practices, and an outside point of view to mesh the site elements with what best practices recommended. So I'm going to sign off now and turn it over to Tara so she can explain how all of that happened. Thanks for having me join you. It's a beautiful, crisp day in New Orleans. Hope all of you are enjoying things in Portland. And take care now, y'all. Bye-bye.